Well, first of all, I will explain what we precisely learned during these first 2 units. First of all, we've learned about the social development of the brain during adolescence. The development of the adolescent's brain um, involves communication around his circle, and this development tends to affect its sexuality and its self-esteem. On the other hand, in Unit 2 we talked about popular education, how this system began regarding many issues around the society of countries that were um, dominated by a certain dictatorship, or were in the midst of a crisis of poverty and lack of literary knowledge. Not only that, but also many types of alternative pedagogy, such as um, Waldorf education, Montessori. Not only these traditional systems that regard in a school institution, but also homeschooling. How these different systems tackle the development of the child to its maturity. The reason why we've learned these 2 units was because of three main factors. One of them is the reading comprehension of the story of Holden Caulfield, and in the book The Catcher in the Rye. The second factor why we've learned this was because of the a task regarding presenting our own class to the students of our section regarding a certain issue of both Unit 1 and 2. In my case, it regarded Waldorf and Montessori education. And the third and final factor was the integrated task, in which we had to present a TED talk regarding a certain issue of traditional education today, and how could we precisely defeat said problem by a system that we feel it could be indicated to lead to a more peaceful place. After the results of my TED talk, I was approached by my main teacher, Marian McGowan. She said that my TED talk was fairly well at a certain point, until there was a moment where it seemed like I had a meltdown. I was speaking non-stop, and not in the most efficient way possible. The way I see my meltdown was because of why I picked the parental involvement in school as the objective I should tackle. It was too personal. It was my choice because I felt that I should have controlled and surpassed my previous experiences at my elementary school and secondary school, to leave it into the past, and to keep moving forward towards my future experiences in school. Now, as a teacher, an unofficial teacher, but a teacher that could understand his previous experiences and build something positive But at some point, I felt like I had progress, like I had a efficient route going on because of my results in the class. I presented myself as a teacher, both in a group with my friend Italo, and at some point I had to do it on my own. And in both classes, we did it, in my personal opinion, quite well.